straight into it. I have got a top on, even though it looks like I'm naked, I'm not. So yeah, I thought we'd just jump straight on into it. So with my everyday makeup, it normally takes me about 10 minutes. But obviously, because I'm going to be talking through the products and my favourite products, what to use, guys, it's going to take me a little bit longer. But normal, on average, it takes me about 10 minutes to get myself together, especially if I'm going to work and stuff. So my two products that I can't stress enough, these together, chef's kiss, guys. So it's the L'Oreal, this is the Revitalift Clinical Pure 12% vitamin C. Absolutely amazing. My skin has been so much better with using this and this together. So I first go in with the vitamin C. It's on a pipette. I'm running out. It's not on the cheap side. For this, I did get it while it was in the sale, but it's not on the cheap side, guys. They are around £30, especially for the serum. I can't remember how much the sunscreen is, but for the actual vitamin C, I think it's around £30. I will put on all prices on screen, and I thought if I'm using them, then I'm going to tell you guys about them. 3 days in a row. So I filmed on Tuesday, sorry, got that Temu haul up for you on Tuesday. I'm so proud of myself that I got that up for you on Tuesday. A few ideas of like what to film. So I wanted to do a Barbie look, I wanted to just show you guys my everyday makeup, there's my beauty trash that's like overflowing, and I also wanted to have a little pamper. So I'm filming them. This is how my skin looks once I put those products on. It looks amazing, if I do say so myself. Obviously, this one is the L'Oreal Revitalift anti-UV fluid, and it's got SPF of 50 in there. I use this all year round, whether it's this product or another sunscreen product, but I do use sunscreen all year round, guys, because it stops the wrinkling. I then do, after I've done that step, is I'll go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter. This is a game changer, okay? So I'll use this once I've done my skincare, so I'll use it now. Give it a really good spritz and let that settle into your skin, because what this will do is it'll put like a barrier over your skin, and your makeup is gonna last all day. Take it from someone who works in a spa all day in like a bazillion degrees. This really works. Where's my little fan, by the way? Here she is. So this actually works as a barrier, guys, and I never thought of putting like my setting spray on before any of my other products. So I'll put this on, let this settle into my skin for a little bit, and I'll just do my brows. I've been using these products now, I want to say about no, 2 months, probably over 2 months. And I can see how they work good for my skin, that they sit well, and they don't budge at all for my everyday. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to film this for you guys, because the products that I'm using all work well together. They sit well on my face, and I've been getting quite a lot of compliments regarding my base. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to share this with my friends here on my channel, and hope, you know, if you want to check out any of these products, I will leave them all down below for you guys to check out. If you don't want to, then that's completely up to you. Never any pressure on this channel, guys, but I'm telling you, these are my holy grail products. So I've literally just put the Pink Honey Got to Be Glued honey glue on my brows. I can't believe I've slept on this product. My brows literally do not move, and I love that bushy brow effect. Still, I'm still for the bushy brows. This brow pencil is my new best friend. I love it. So it's from Obsessions, Makeup Obsessions. You can get it in Boots, and I will link it down below like I keep saying. But this is like my favourite brow pencil. It's a skinny little brow pencil. It's got a little skinny tip on it, so it's so easy just to fill in those sparse areas. I did tint my brows last night, guys, because they were non-existent. Instant anti-age eraser from Maybelline. We're just gonna plop a little bit of that on. I'll then take my RCMA powder and just set the lid. So a little product that I did pick up from, I want to say Temu, because let's face it, I buy everything from Temu these days. I'm just going to take this little shade here, which is like a nude. I'm just going to run that into my crease. I don't do a lot on the eyes on a day-to-day. To be honest, when I did that Barbie video, if it's not up before this one, it'll be up probably in my next upload. But that's the first time in ages that I've actually wore lashes in a long while. I don't tend to wear them, especially like for doing a 12-hour shift. They just get so annoying, so I don't even bother. I'm going to take this little bullet brush and go into the darkest shade, which is that gorgeous chocolate brown. Oh my god. The darkest brown in the palette, and I'm just going to pop that just on the outer edges, just to give it a little bit of depth. So then I literally just go into the shimmer with my finger. I mean, this shimmer, oh my god. The palette itself is gorgeous, but this shimmer, it just is gorgeous. But that shimmer, girl, it's gorgeous. Cheap ass curlers from Primark. I think the Primark ones or Home Bargains, one of the two. Crimp them, then I'll pull them right up and really crimp them again, and it gives you that gorgeous lip. Such a good hack that is. Right, on a daily basis I tend to go between two different mascaras. So I'll either use, where is it? So I'll either use this one, which is a brown mascara, and it's from Nude. I think it's a Korean brand, but this mascara is gorgeous, guys. Or I'll use this one, which is obviously a staple. It's the Essence Prince Lash, the Essence Print, oh my god. So it's the Essence Lash Princess in the waterproof one. So I think I'm just gonna probably go for this one, because I want to show you guys how incredible this is. So let me bring you closer. So this is me without any mascara on, and I'm just gonna let you see the magic that is this mascara, and it's brown as well. I mean, mascara, no mascara, it's gorgeous. It is absolutely bloody gorgeous. It's stunning, and it's a brown mascara. Love it. I'm going to be using the Vive Skin Nova. This stuff, chef's kiss. It is amazing. It gives you that gorgeous glow, which is what I look for, because I've got dry skin, like really bad dry skin. So having this underneath just gives me that little bit of a lift from within. So for foundation, I've been using this one. Now this one it doesn't get enough love and attention that it deserves. It's the Catrice True Skin Hydrating Foundation. This is an Irish brand, and I get it off Amazon. Oh my god, guys, this has got my heart. I use it every single day. I love it and I can't wait to get some more. So I have got the shade Nude and it's a perfect match for me, guys. So like I said, this does not get enough love, guys, and I love it. It lasts so long on the skin. It's got that 24-hour hydration in it, so if you do suffer from dry skin, this is your best friend. I absolutely love it. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, which is really good for your skin as well. It's long lasting. I wear this for 12 hours in the spa and it's like I've just put it on when I walk out of the spa. It's that good. So I'm just going to pop some on now. So what I'll do with this first is use my fingers, because your fingers are the most amazing tools ever when it comes to applying your makeup. Because they've got that warmth there, it helps into the skin a lot better. And ever since I watched that TikTok with that girl, I can't remember what her name is, I'll pop her on screen right now. Since I've seen her use her hands for her makeup, I tend to do it a lot with my foundation. How gorgeous does that look on my skin, guys? It feels lightweight, it feels like there's nothing on my skin at all. And it just gives you that really healthy looking skin. So I don't contour on a daily at all, but I do like to bronze up my face. So I've been using this from Temu again. I have found some really good like dupes. So this is a Charlotte Tilbury dupe, and I'm just gonna blot some of this just on the high points of my cheeks. And then for liquid blush, I go in with this one from Beauty Bay. I absolutely love these. They're so affordable as well, and this one is in Bloomin'. I'll just pop a dab 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 dab, and then before I put any powders on, guys, I will then go back in with the all-nighter and just spritz my face. And then I'm going to take the brush with no product on, just with a little bit of that brown on. I don't do this every day either, just when I'm feeling a little bit more in the mood. I'll just pop that on. So it's just the brush that I used with this, with a little bit of the brown on. So whatever excess product I had on there, I will literally just pop it on. So to set all my face in place before it creases, because my face will crease really badly, I'm just going to set the under eyes with my RCMA translucent powder and just set those under eyes. And it's best to use like a really minimal amount of powder, just enough to set the face. You don't want to go in with heaps of powder, because then your face will start looking really powdery. So I tend to just take the tiniest little bit on my brush, just dab my brush in the lid, and then literally with that one little application, I'll spread that all over my face. And it literally locks in as well with this. It locks it in and it'll stay like this all day. I'm then going to go in with the Glow Wish from Huda Beauty. I did get this in a mystery bag from Twee. I love those mystery bags. I might treat myself to another one. Not until November though, because that'll be my birthday, and then I can treat myself to another couple of those mystery bags, because that will be my birthday treat to myself. I can't believe I'm 42 in November, guys. Oh my god. Got Made by Mitchell. This is one of his pressed blushes, or pressed blushes in Milkshake. This is my best friend. I love this. It's the perfect baby Barbie pink, and you'll see why. Oh my god, look at that pink, guys. I mean, I can get carried away with it, but I don't tend to put too much on, especially when I'm going to work and stuff. So what I'll do is I'll go over it with the sponge and just press that into the skin so it doesn't look too much, do you know what I mean? Because obviously I am going, well, not today, but this is what I would wear on a daily to work. I'll then go back in with the all-nighter Now my lip preference, that tends to change from day to day. One day I'll wear a lipstick, next day I'll probably wear a lip gloss. Majority of the time, to be fair guys, I wear a lip gloss. It's just easier to apply during the day. So I'll just grab my lip gloss of choice and then I'll be right back. So my little lip gloss of choice, I pop this in my pocket while I'm at work and then I can keep applying it. It's just easier that way. For the life of me, I cannot pronounce the name of the brand. It is Korean because I got it from Temu, but I will link it down below. And that's it guys. This is literally my everyday go to work, go to do shops, go to do errands. This is literally my everyday makeup. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is twice a week here on my channel. Fingers crossed, pray for me. But yeah, I hope you have a fantastic day and I'll see you in the next one guys. Bye!
My sugar too. I got all the goodies, but look at you, sweeter than a Jolly Rancher, got me singing ooh. So many